Welcome to Swagzone's behind the scenes look at peanut farming. Peanuts are more than just a staple of American snacks. Their journey from the field to your favorite trail mix is a complex process involving multiple companies. Peanuts have been around for ages, but did you know they're not actually nuts? They're legumes, which means they're like the rebellious cousin of the nut family. Native to South America, peanuts were such a hit with the ancient Aztecs that they spread through trade like a viral TikTok dance. By the time they made it to North America, they were doing everything from being roasted at baseball games to starring in a sandwich that makes the world go round. So next time you snack on peanuts, remember you're enjoying a little piece of history minus the drama. Our story begins in the sun-soaked fields of peanut farms. Alicia's method involves a charmingly old-school technique called shocking no, not the kind that makes you drop your phone in surprise. It's a method where peanuts are left to dry for about 6 weeks. And yes, you heard that right, 6 weeks. That's a long time to wait for a snack, but patience is key in the peanut world. Now, it's time for the big guns tractors and pickers. These machines might not have the charm of vintage tools, but they get the job done. It's like peanut farming meets a vintage car show. This picker separates peanuts from the vine, shaking them free with a level of gusto that makes you wonder if it ever takes a day off. And let's not forget the de-shelling companies. These aren't just any companies, they're the unsung heroes of the peanut world, taking the raw peanuts from farms and making them snack ready. They peel away the shells like it's no big deal, while the peanuts are prepped for their next adventure. Now that the peanuts are deshelled, it's time to get them seasoned and cooked. Enter the realm of commercial peanut production, where companies like Hubs and Planters add their secret touch. And no, it's not just a sprinkle of salt and a dash of seasoning. Oh no, it's a full-blown fiesta. Hubs, for example, uses a special cooking technique invented by Marshall's grandmother. First, peanuts are soaked in hot water, a process called blanching that gives them a delightful crunch. Then, they're fried until they reach the peak of crispy perfection. This process is so closely guarded that it feels like the peanut version of a secret family recipe. Frying peanuts might sound simple, but trust me, it's an art form. Picture this: a massive fryer filled with peanuts as the nuts undergo a transformative journey. This isn't just any fryer, it's a state-of-the-art machine designed by a local metal shop, and it's been in use for 5 generations. If this fryer could talk, it would tell tales of peanut parties and crispy victories. The peanuts are fried to golden perfection, and the process is monitored like a high-stakes poker game. Temperature adjustments are made, and each batch is scrutinized to ensure it's up to snuff. It's like the peanut version of a Michelin-starred kitchen, where every detail counts. Now comes the fun part: packaging. The freshly cooked peanuts are put into cans, which are sealed with a trusty key to lock in that fresh, crunchy goodness. Some peanuts, in their purest form, will be packaged straight from the fryer without any seasoning, staying true to their natural flavor. The packaging process is like a well-oiled machine, literally. Bags are weighed, sealed, and stamped with meticulous precision. It's a whirlwind of activity where each bag of peanuts gets its final touch, ensuring that only the highest quality makes it to the shelves. some American factories, peanut butter production is where the magic truly unfolds. Picture this: roasted peanuts get tossed into a colossal blender that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi flick. The blender then hums and whirs, transforming those peanuts into either creamy delight or crunchy perfection, whatever floats your boat. Next up, this peanut utopia is meticulously poured into jars with the precision of a NASA countdown. Each jar gets a snug lid, ensuring that your peanut butter stays as fresh as a summer breeze, ready to grace anything from toast to your unsuspecting kitchen counter. It's a peanut butter extravaganza, and you're on the guest list. And just like that, our peanuts are ready to hit the shelves and find their way to your snack bowl. From the sunny fields to the frying pan, and finally into cans, it's been quite a journey. So next time you munch on a peanut, remember its remarkable journey from the farm to the sophisticated machines. Thanks for joining us on this nutty adventure. See you next time.
Thanks for watching the video to the end. What was the most impressive moment for you? If you have any suggestions for us, please leave a comment down below. We welcome all suggestions and comments. It helps us to improve the next videos. So, all you need to do is click like, share and subscribe to update the latest videos from us. Thank you, and we'll see you again soon.